Hi everybody, it's Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today I'm going to show you how to pipe all these different designs with different piping tips for Christmas cupcakes. First, we're going to start with this 2D, and you can also use a 1M, but anything like that with a open star tip, large star tip makes a great swirl. I just pipe in the middle and then work my way around that and keep pulling away as you release the pressure and you get a perfect swirl. Then I'm going to use the 366 large leaf tip, and I'm going to pipe some holly, and I do 3 little holly leaves, and then add some sprinkles for the berries in the middle. And then here I'm just going to use a large round tip, again work in the center and then pipe all the way around it to kind of give you a flatter surface but not perfect. And then a 1M tip, and we're going to make a Christmas tree by circling around but then working our way up in smaller circles as we build that Christmas tree and get taller. And then a smaller circle each time, and then just gently pull up on that and add some fancy sprinkles. And then I used a candle star. I got these on Amazon. I can put the link down below, but I thought those would be great for the Christmas tree. And then next I am going to just pipe around circle, and that gives us a base for our poinsettias. Also a 366 tip again, same tip that we used for the holly. And this one we're just going to work all the way around on that base that we already built for our poinsettia. So we need the first row of leaves here, and then a smaller row of leaves on top. And once we get all those petals in, I want to go ahead and put for a center, I like to use these little gold sprinkles. They look really fancy, but they really make the design come together. And then I'm just going to give it some leaves with that 366 tip down there in green. Okay, and next I'm going to show you how to get completely flat buttercream. We're going to use the same method that we used with that Christmas tree skirt. Just start in the center and pipe around and get some buttercream on that, and then just flip that upside down on some wax paper. And I give it a little pat and kind of press it down so that it presses out any bubbles or texture. And then I'm going to do that with all my colors, and then go ahead and put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes or until the buttercream gets firm. And then you just gently peel it from that buttercream, and it gives you a nice flat surface to work with if we're stenciling or doing other designs. I'm going to do a wreath here. I'm using a 32 star tip, and I'm just going to pipe the circle first and then pipe the leaves, and then I'm going to go behind those and pipe some more leaves, and that gives a very full wreath. And I really enjoyed the wreath. It's one of the easiest ones to make because it's very forgiving. And for all of these, I'm using my American buttercream recipe, and I will go ahead and put that link below so that you can easily find it. We'll go ahead and add some Christmassy sprinkles to our wreath. And I again have that gold and silver balls to make it all look so fancy. And then over here we're going to do a pine cone. So I'm going to first start by building a little mound of buttercream, and then use this tip, which kind of looks like a smiley face. And these can come in different sizes. I kind of used a medium one. It comes in really tiny, and then a really large one. And so what I do is I start at the top and I start piping, and then I overlap the pieces going down and just keep piping around that until you fill out your pine cone completely. Then we're going to add some greenery using that same tip that we used for the wreath, that star tip, and I'm going to put a couple on each side, and 3s always look better, so I'm going to use a 3rd piece of greenery on each side. And then once I get all my greenery on, I'm going to put some sprinkles on because we're being very festive today because Christmas and all. So we'll get that on, and that is our little pine cone. Now I'm going to take that flat red buttercream. I'm going to go ahead and put my stencil on. I'm going to pipe a little buttercream on because that's easier to get on. You can also just put it on there with a spoon or with your spatula. And then this is from the Sugar Art store. I love these. It adds just a little bit of bling to your cupcake, and just slowly peel that off. And look at that shimmery little snowflake. And you can do that with all kinds of stencils. In fact, I have a whole tutorial just for stencils, so please check that out, and Merry Christmas. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up so that others can see and enjoy it as well.